Hello friends, my name is Miss Adrian. Welcome to story time at my house. We actually just finished Little Bear's bath time. He's drying off now with this nice blue towel. While he was in the bath, we scrubbed him so clean. This is the way we washed his ears, washed his ears, washed his ears. This is the way we washed his ears so early in the morning. This is the way we washed his neck, washed his neck, washed his neck. This is the way we washed his neck so early in the morning. Well, I think that while he's drying off, it would be a good time to take a look up at the flannel board. There's a baby in the tub here. You know what? When Little Bear is in the bath, he likes to splash, splash, splash. I think the baby does too. The baby in the tub goes splash, 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 splash. Splash, 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 the baby in the tub goes splash, 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 all bath time long. You know what's even more fun is if there are bubbles in the tub. Yeah, Little Bear likes bubble baths too. And those bubbles, they go pop, pop, pop. The bubbles in the tub go pop, 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 pop. The bubbles in the tub go pop, 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 all bath time long. Sometimes the baby likes to play with toys in the bathtub. Little Bear does too. In fact, Little Bear has a rubber ducky. And when you squeeze that rubber ducky, it goes squeak, squeak, squeak. Let's put the rubber ducky in the baby's bath too. The ducky in the tub goes squeak, 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 squeak. The ducky in the tub goes squeak, 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 all bath time long. Do you like taking a bath? And you know what? Little Bear likes to dry off after his bath. He feels so nice and clean. And when he's cuddled up in his blue towel, he feels all cozy and warm. But I think it's time for us to go now because he is dry. And it's time to put his favorite onesie back on. Well, I hope to see you all soon at the Westmont Library. Until then, remember, be kind to each other. Goodbye, friends.